Number 5. Vistaflor Bungalows. Located 1 kilometer from the Maspalomas golf course and a few minutes from the wonderful dunes of Maspalomas Beach and 5 minutes to Playa del Ingles. Free bus service twice a day to and from Maspalomas Beach. 210 comfortable 2-story bungalows with 1 bedroom and 16 bungalows with 2 bedrooms including cozy living room with sofa bed, kitchenette, toaster, refrigerator, coffee maker, microwave, bathroom and furnished terrace and satellite TV. Free bedroom air conditioning. Free Wi-Fi throughout the establishment and in the bungalows. Pool bar and restaurant a la carte. Swimming pool for adults and children separate, seasonal heating. Playground and mini club. Number 4. Abora Continental by Lopesan Hotels. Abora Continental by Lopesan Hotels stands in the very heart of the Playa del Ingles, a stone's throw from the boardwalk and a thriving shopping and leisure area. Internationally renowned for its famous sand dunes and its over 6 kilometers long beach, it offers guests an unbeatable setting for long, pleasant strolls by the sea in one of the most touristic areas of Gran Canaria, where entertainment and fun are assured. A location that is soon to be further enhanced by the Siam Park water park that is to be built opposite. Internationally renowned for its famous sand dunes and its over 6 kilometers long beach, it offers guests an unbeatable setting for long, pleasant strolls by the sea in one of the most touristic areas of Gran Canaria. Number 3. Gloria Palace Royal Hotel and Spa. Located 200 meters from Playa de Amadores, on the Costa de Mogan, the Gloria Palace Hotel Royal and Spa is a 4-star superior establishment built in 2008 with natural stone, privileged views over Amadores Beach, spectacular never-ending pool, exclusive rooms and executive suites. Its dedicated service, luxurious surroundings and breathtaking views makes it the most prestigious hotel in the area. Our goal is to provide our customers with a place to enjoy a calm, relaxing, caring and personalized service from our team of professionals. The extensive facilities are designed and decorated with exquisite taste, to convey a feeling of exclusivity and luxury to enjoy the deserved vacations. Number 2. H10 Playa Meloneras Palace. H10 Playa Meloneras Palace is next to Meloneras Beach and Golf Course in southern Gran Canaria. It has 3 swimming pools, a sun terrace, spa and striking design inspired by Antoni Gaudí. The rooms at the H10 Meloneras feature tiled floors and typical Mediterranean decor. They all come with a private balcony and satellite TV. The hotel's Tamadaba buffet restaurant offers show cooking and international food. Gaudí restaurant serves a la carte meals, and there is also a poolside bar cafe. Leisure facilities at the H10 Gran Canaria include tennis courts and a mini club for children. The lively resort of Playa del Ingles is around 10 minutes drive from the Hotel Playa Meloneras. Number 1. Mirador Maspalomas by Dunas. Mirador Maspalomas by Dunas is located in the Sonnenland area of Maspalomas, in Gran Canaria. It offers 2 outdoor pools with loungers, a hot tub, and rooms with private balconies. All rooms at the Mirador Maspalomas by Dunas feature tiled floors and light furniture. They are also equipped with ceiling fan, flat-screen TV with international channels, and a balcony or a terrace. Free Wi-Fi is available throughout the property. Pool towels are available for an additional cost. The Mirador Maspalomas restaurant serves a variety of Spanish and international food. There is also a poolside bar and a disco. Children can enjoy a separated pool and a club with an entertainment program. Thanks for watching our list. Want to get more exciting videos? Subscribe to our channel and you will get notified when we added more travel inspirational videos.